In this video, we're going to show you how to connect TradingView with Binance so that you can combine the powerful charting tools of TradingView with the trading capabilities of Binance. Whilst I'm going to be showing you with Binance, this method also works with other popular exchanges too. And by connecting the platforms, it's just going to save you switching back and forth between TradingView and Binance, allowing you to execute trades all within TradingView. Now let me show you how to connect. First, head to TradingView and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free, but upgrading to Pro or Premium does give you more features. And it's worth keeping an eye out for promotions for these subscriptions, especially around Black Friday. We'll also have a link in the description that you can use too. Once you've logged in, open up any chart. I'm just going to navigate there using the search bar at the top, and then I'm going to select BTC USDC as an example. Then scroll down to the trading panel at the bottom. Now, if nothing is really showing here, you may need to pull up this section and expand it so you can see everything in here. From the list of available brokers, click on Binance, and if you can't see it, just click onto All Brokers. Now this box will then appear prompting you to connect, and you can choose for TradingView not to remember you by ticking on the box here. Then connect, where you're then going to be prompted to log into your Binance account, so just enter in your credentials. Then allow account access. And just note here that this does give access to your balance, the ability to place orders and close positions, but not to make transfers or withdrawals. Once connected to Binance, you can then place trades, monitor positions, and analyse markets all within TradingView. So I'm going to show you some of the features and how to place trades quickly, and I'll also mention some limitations to this too. First, we can see that Binance and TradingView is linked from here. And there's also some trade settings where we could show or hide buy and sell buttons and instant order placements. You can see all the brokers if you wanted to connect up another exchange or log out, which will unlink your Binance account. It'll also stop syncing your balance and any order history with TradingView. And any open positions will remain on Binance but will no longer be visible in TradingView until it's reconnected again. To the right of Binance is the account that we're currently viewing, but there's also unified margin accounts in here too. If you're looking to connect your Binance Futures account to TradingView, you will need to use Binance Futures API keys, as TradingView's default integration typically connects to Binance Spot by default. Then you'd connect Binance Futures and input your API and secret keys. Underneath you have your Binance orders that have imported, as well as any history, and the asset summary, which is a list of your Binance assets. And you can see your balance on here too. Then when you're ready to trade, choose the pair in the top left, and from here is where you can choose pairs that are actually listed on Binance by clicking on the Binance button here, as opposed to all the different pairs. When you've got your pair selected, to start trading your Binance assets, choose the Trade button beside Binance in the bottom here, and an order panel then appears, where you can place an order or you can view the depth of market. Then choose to buy or sell. And you can proceed as usual with either a market, a limit or a stop limit order. Just be aware here though that you can't place OCO or one cancels the other orders directly from within TradingView, and this could obviously be a drawback for those of you that rely on this functionality to manage both stop loss and take profit levels simultaneously. And the only real way around this is to set up manual stop loss or take profit orders separately and to use with price alerts. But I know this can be cumbersome and could potentially be overcomplicating things, and you could possibly be missing trades. Or potentially, you might also be able to use automation or third-party tools like 3Commas or Cornix. Whilst I know that it's not ideal, TradingView is primarily designed as a charting and analysis platform rather than a fully fledged trading platform. But getting back to the order types that it does have, you can place your market, entering the units or amounts on the market tab, or over on the limit tab, enter the price or ticks which represent the smallest possible change in price. And this can just help to speed up orders and quickly adjust the price up or down using the drop down. Then when you're ready, you can confirm your order. And that order will then go through to the Binance exchange to trade that. Now if you want to order immediately at the market price, as I said earlier, under Binance trading settings, you can turn on or off the buy and sell buttons and instant order placements. If I just switch those on quickly, then from the chart you can then see the red and blue buttons. To place an immediate order, just enter the amount into here. And you'll see the units will also change if you have the order panel open under the Market tab. And then just either choose the bid or offer button of your choice. To set up price alerts for Binance, choose the Binance trading pair. Then select the alert button at the top of the screen in TradingView. Next, you just need to set up the conditions, whether or not that's the price crossing a level, RSA reaching a threshold, etc. And when the alert is triggered, TradingView will notify you via email, pop-up or app notifications, depending on your settings. Now, I don't really want to go too much further into TradingView or how to trade on Binance, as I do have full tutorials, which I'll link below. If you're looking to connect other exchanges, as I said, you can link some of the most popular following these steps, and I'll try and create further guides for those too. If this video helped you, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I've also added links to Binance, TradingView, and some other useful tools in the description below. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.